everyone, Merry Christmas Eve and Happy Holidays. I'm going to be doing some gift wrapping today, and this is mostly for Duncan's side of the family. All of the gifts that I got for my side of the family got sent to my mom's house, and I will be doing that next week because unfortunately everyone is sick at my mom's house. So we're gonna do some gift wrapping, and I'm gonna do like a mini vlog series for today and possibly for tomorrow as well, but we'll see what happens. Good morning and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We are going to clear out this area so that I can put my record player here that I got last year for Christmas and test out some new vinyls that I got this Christmas. So let's do it. These are so pretty.
Well,
We got a Pink Floyd Control, and we're waiting for one more, but I think we're gonna start with this one. And I'm just gonna put this one.
Start with this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this one here for now. Should we open it? Wait, you got it? Oh, that's cool.
Recap.
And it looks. go through my drawers today, try to consolidate as much as I can. I really only use like this drawer right here and sometimes this drawer. So there's a lot of space being taken up in my room, and I have a lot of items to go through to donate, so I'm going to go through that today. The idea is to start making space for my baby, and I eventually want to just get rid of this as a whole and get like a smaller storage unit, kind of like this right here in the corner. I use this for my socks and like winter gloves, hats, winter socks, and I would like to get something similar to that so I can put all of my smaller tops, tank tops, bras, workout, like things that are a lot smaller, into a storage unit kind of like this. I'm gonna get started and we're gonna do a little time lapse. Okay, I have completed the clean out for now. I am donating a good pile to Goodwill, and then I am reorganizing and keeping a separate pile that won't be staying in the drawers, that are a mix of like summer clothes and just like other clothes that I actually have space for in my closet. So I'm going to organize those after I eat some lunch. And for now, I basically just have this one drawer that I showed you with my tops, and then I also have a drawer with underwear, and that's pretty much it. But I basically cleared out like 3 drawers, so that feels really good. I will be getting to this situation eventually. For now, I don't really have a space for it, especially at my desk. I don't have like a lot of storage there, so I'm not gonna deal with this now, but I definitely can go through some of these products and consolidate some of them as well. But I kind of just have to like think about how I want to do that, so I'm gonna leave it for now. But that was pretty much all that I wanted to do in this area. Packages in the mail. One of them I opened because I thought it was one of my Christmas gifts, but it's actually Duncan's Christmas present, and it came a day late. It is now the 26th of December, but I'm so glad I opened it because I'm going to package it for him before he comes home, so that when he comes home he can open his Christmas gift. Let's do it. easy, but it felt amazing. So happy I followed this workout from one of my favorite TikTok creators, Brinley. I think she also has a YouTube channel. Brinley, I love her workout videos and her content in general. She's also pregnant, so I like to follow her workouts because I trust them, knowing that she's also pregnant and a trainer. So I just feel awesome right now. I feel so proud of myself that I was able to do that. Yay. I think I'm gonna close off this vlog right here. It's the day after Christmas and I have no idea what I've filmed in the past 3 days. So hope you enjoy watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!